Mike Mbuvi Sonko oigĩte ndegũkua ngoro thutha wa igoti itũgĩru gũteyanĩria cira wake ũrĩa acoketie riko, na rĩu arorete igoti-inĩ rĩa ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri ma Afrika, igoti rĩrĩa rĩciraga maũndũ ma mabũrũri marĩa marĩ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩu kana atongoria a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ.
So we have filed for review before the same Supreme Court. We have filed also before the East African Court of Justice. And I want to tell also Kenyans, because see what we're conversant na sheria, yeah, the East African Court of Justice is recognized by our Constitution under Article 2, Sub-Article 4 and 5. Yeah, all the international treaties, international laws are being recognized. We are a member of the East African community, so we fall under that category.
Sonko nĩ anyũrũrĩtie mĩtaratara ĩrĩa igoti itũgĩru rĩrahũthĩrire gũtua cira wake. Wa mbere akiuga rĩarĩ igoti-inĩ inene cira wa ABC ndĩkamũhĩtũkie ta mũhũranĩri gĩturwa kĩa gavana wa Mombasa nĩ ũndũ wa maratathi make ma gĩthomo. Nĩrĩo narĩo igoti itũgĩru rĩamwĩrire aneane maũndũ mamwe marĩa angĩenda kũneana cira-inĩ ũcio, makĩmenyaga arĩ na gĩathĩ na igoti muthenya ũcio.
But since 10 a.m. we are in Mombasa High Court. Though the Supreme Court expects us also 13th 10 a.m. to file our responses. And all my team with the clerks were in the High Court Mombasa. So we were denied justice because there is no evidence from our side that was put in court.
Mĩario ya mũcirithania mũnene bũrũri-inĩ Martha Koome atĩ Sonko nĩ mũhagũre ona cira wake ũtatuĩtwo. Nĩ ciugo Sonko arauga cia ya gũkorwo nĩ irahũthĩkire cira-inĩ wake.
Martha Koome, but I want to tell her she's not above the law. As much as we respect her, she's not about to break, to defy the law. She went ahead and commented about any convicted state officer, public officer is not supposed to be on the ballot until that sentence is overturned. Then I'm asking a question. The member for Sirisia, Honorable Weluke, was sentenced to 67 years imprisonment. What has made him to be on the ballot?
Magima marĩa aratetia nĩ kwĩrwo majaji matano nĩo matuithanagia cira wake, no ũracoka ũratuithanio nĩ majaji mũgwanja.
They went ahead and confused us and issued another direction and told us the matter will be listed for hearing of the petition by a 5-bench judge. And remember, the preliminary objection was delivered by a 5-bench judge. Martha Koome was not a party to that 5-judge bench. And if they could have gone with a genuine position by telling us the matter will be heard by a 7-judge bench, we would have prepared an official recusal application for her to recuse herself, because she had already formed an opinion that Sonko is not supposed to be on the ballot.
Mbere ya kũrora igoti-inĩ rĩa mabũrũri ma ngwatanĩro ya Afrika ya irathĩro, kwamba gũcoka igoti-inĩ itũgĩru na kuga maũndũ marĩa atanaiganĩra namo harĩ itua rĩa cira wake gũteyanĩrio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.